I'm Greg Soja, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Engineering at Carl Stahl Sava Industries. We've been building the mechanical cable assemblies that go inside the most advanced medical devices on Earth for practically 50 years now. It's the business we're in, to get our medical cables into the hands of the world's surgical innovators as they need them, when they need them. We work with tungsten, nitinol, stainless steel, and other wire materials, often smaller than the fraction of a diameter of a human hair. We manufacture the most in-demand strand constructions in the medical devices and surgical robotics markets, and combined, we possess over 100 years of engineering and stranding expertise. But experience isn't enough. Medical device markets comprise fierce competitors, more so than any other industry that comes to mind actually. Our customers need to urgently take their ideas from concept to market at burning speeds, and that means we need to move the same way. That's why we've worked feverishly for the last 5 decades, sharpening our engineering, production, and manufacturing processes as well. There's no wasted time or lost motion, and our medical customers need precisely that from us. We do it every day because we know medical device makers can't afford to give up market share to a more agile alternative. Sava's proud to give the world the mechanical cables that ultimately go inside the medical instruments and surgical robots that make us all a little healthier. That's quite its own reward, really. I'm Greg Soja, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Engineering at Carl Stahl Sava Industries.